All right, so Bitwarden Chrome extension not working. Yeah, that can be super annoying. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes right now. First, quick idea. This usually happens because of browser bugs, extension conflicts, or outdated versions. Start by refreshing your Chrome browser tab. Next, completely close and reopen Chrome. Make sure the Bitwarden extension is enabled in your extensions page. Check if your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Also update the Bitwarden extension itself. Try logging out of your Bitwarden account and logging back in. Clear your Chrome cache and cookies to remove any stored issues. If you have multiple extensions installed, disable them temporarily because some can conflict with Bitwarden. If the problem continues, reinstall the Bitwarden extension completely. Also make sure your vault is unlocked because some features won't work if it's locked. And finally, check if Bitwarden servers are down because that can affect performance. So yeah, these fixes should get your Bitwarden Chrome extension working again fast. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More quick tech fixes coming soon.